I received a message from one of you, and they said that they were having a problem working a problem on page 22, and that's in with parallel circuits. And I want you to look at the problem. I'm going to point it out now on page 22, problem 12. And notice I'm in the back of the book. I'm in A22, where the problems have already been worked. Now, that is the correct answer, 2.09K. And when I first did it, I actually made a mistake. I think what it is, that's sort of a long problem, and some people let their mind drift. I know I did. So let's review that problem. Let's go over it on the calculator. It works exactly the same way we worked all of our problems. Let me grab a sheet of paper, a scrap paper, and I'm going to show you once again the formula for working this problem. And that's RT equals 1 over what? 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. And in this case, the R1 was 10K, so now in my formula RT equals 1 over 10K plus 1 over 47K plus 1 over 10K plus 1 over 4.7K. Now let's work that out on our calculator. Let me position this so that you can see it. And here's our calculator. This is, if you remember, I only work problems using a TI-30XA. Again, I was at Walmart, and these are the newer model of this is selling for $8.95, and it also has a photocell, so that on examination you won't lose your battery. So if the battery goes out, runs down, you'll still have power from the lights. Okay, let me turn the computer off so it's cleared completely. Now let me go through, and I do this every time because it's important. You must be in the right mode. You must be in a scientific mode to work these efficiently. So I hit on, I hit second, and then I hit underneath the 5 is scientific notation. So I hit 5. Now we're in scientific notation. You can tell that by the 0 and the exponents. Now in our classroom we want accuracy to 2 decimal points. So I hit the second again because I want to fix the decimal. There we go. I fixed it. Now I'm going to fix it at 2 places. Now notice how your calculator has 0.00 and the exponent now is 0. Now the biggest problem with working these longer problems is that you forget what you're doing, and it's redundant. Now it's the same step over and over and over again, and some people have difficulty. Now what I would like for you to do, if you will, and of course you can stop this recording and you can restart it. First I'm going to put in 10 for the 10K. Now here's what some of you I notice we're having a problem with. We hit double E to put in the exponent, and in this case it's 10K, so that's 3. And then I hit plus. Okay, next I put in 47, hit double E for the exponent. I put in a 3. Let's start over again. Okay, I cleared the calculator. Okay, I put in 10 double E 3, then I take the reciprocal. Then I hit the plus. I put in a 47 double E 3, and I take the reciprocal. Then I hit plus. I put in 22 double E 3 reciprocal, and then I take a plus. Then I put in 10 double E 3 reciprocal, and then I hit a plus. I put a 4.7 7 double E 3. Now this time I don't put in a plus, but I do take the reciprocal. I hit the reciprocal, and then I hit equals. Now we can rest for a second. Now in order to get the correct answer, if you write this down, you know you're wrong, because you know a resistor is not going to have an exponent of a -4. It's not going to have a minus exponent. So what we do now, we once again hit the reciprocal, and as you notice, the answer came out 2.09 times 10 to the third, which is in fact 2.09 k ohms. I hope that you got that. The main thing is to stay focused. And the student that wrote in, I hope that you see this explanation. If you don't get it, write me again. And I'm not going to go into a joke right now. I probably should. You can't really know that you didn't get it if you don't see it. I know that's not funny. I'm not paid to be funny, though. Okay, with that said, I'm going to end this one problem. But later this weekend, I'm going to do several of those problems. Now, that set of problems will be due on Tuesday out of parallel resistance, and I want you to work the problems in that set. And be prepared to turn those in. We've already mentioned how you can turn them in. You can go ahead and work them in your book and tear out the pages and give those to me Tuesday. Or you can go ahead and make a copy of those pages and you can hand those in to me Tuesday. Or you can make a copy and you can email those to me. So I hope that you're having a good weekend, but why not make it a profitable weekend? Go ahead and do your homework, right? Okay, that's it for now. We'll be sending you a little more as the weekend progresses.